Welcome to Any Connector Integration, your one-click solution for seamless connectivity. This powerful integration between Altimetrics, employee onboarding, and payroll systems, powered by Any Connector, streamlines the entire process efficiently. With this integration, you can create new employees in Altimetrics directly from the details received from any external employee onboarding system. Not only that, but this integration also ensures that all employee updates and terminations, such as marital status, pay rate, job codes, and more, are synchronized from the external onboarding system. Similarly, rehired workers are updated from external systems to the Altimetrics application in near real time. This integration is a huge time saver. New employees and changes are reflected in the Altimetrics application in near real time. Once all employees are synchronized in Altimetrics, managers can finalize payroll in the Altimetrics application at the end of the pay period. The payroll data, including paid time off hours, will then be seamlessly transferred instantaneously to external payroll systems. Once the payroll information is sent over, log in to your payroll portal to review the hours. Before starting the configuration, ensure that Altimetrics locations are matched with third-party locations. Each Altimetrics location should be matched with a unique location from the external system. Some of the major benefits of Any Connector integration are: significant reduction in manual data entry, significant reduction in administrative tasks, improved data integrity, reduced errors, lower operational costs, and many more. These advantages allow your HR and payroll teams to focus on more strategic activities. Transform your business today with Any Connector integration. Contact us to learn more.